using lambda conditional and pandas str.contains to lump strings. Trying to learn some stuff. I'm messing around with the global shark attack database on Kaggle, and I'm trying to find the best way to lump strings using the lambda function and str.contains. Basically, anywhere a string contains a phrase with skin diving, for example skin diving for abalone, in the data activity column I want to replace the activity with skin diving. There are 92 variations for skin diving, hence trying to use the lambda function. I can return a Boolean series using, but I'm unsure how to change the value if this condition is true. My lambda function equals data.apply lambda x column free diving if x.str.contains free diving, but I'm getting a syntax error and I'm not familiar enough with lambda functions and pandas to get it right. Any help would be appreciated.
Instead of using a series.str method, you can use the in operator in your lambda to test for the substring.
You could use str.contains method with np.where.